How to use the inspector tab on a video clip in Davinci Resolve 18. If you don't know how to access onto the inspector page, press on the clip that you want to use and then go over here to where it says inspector and press on it, and then the inspector page would show up. First bit is transform. So this will have all your basic options, so you can zoom in or out, and if you just want to reset the zoom in and out bit, you just press this bit here. But then if you, let's say you move those bits around, so if you change your position to, you've moved it more to the right, then if you want to reset it all, then just press this button here and it resets all of it. But yeah, this position, so you've got like left, right, up, down, that kind of thing. And then you have the rotation angle, so you can just like rotate it round. So if you do want it like this, you can. And then you have yaw, so if you do it yaw, it does it left and right. And then pitch does it up and down like this. I don't really know how to explain what it does, you just have to see what I mean. So that's the transform bit done. If you press on the name, it will move like this, and then if you press on the next one, so you can crop left, right, top, and bottom if you want to. You can increase and decrease the softness of it. If you want to reset it all, again, there's just the same reset. So now we have speed change. So you could just change like how your speed and your frames per second are. You can see it on here. And usually I don't really mess with this that much, because there's, I just, it's not something that I'd use, really. But that's speed change. Then we have this here, where you can kind of analyzes your clips and changes it. You got like perspective, you got similarity and translation. You got like camera lock, you can zoom, you've got a cropping ratio, you got smooth, you can smooth it, or you got strength. We are now going to be doing keyframing. So keyframing is quite easy to do once you know how to do it. So let's say I want to zoom this bit in here, so it kind of zooms in all the way along to here. So I have already set a spot from where I'm going to keep it as this, and that's when and then I'm going to move it all the way to here, and then I'm going to zoom in, and now when I play it, you can see that it's now zooming in. And it's staying zoomed just until it reaches its mark, so 2130, and then it will just stay like that. But you can do it on all of them, and if you don't want them anymore, you just go onto the bit where it shows up red and just press it. And if you're interested, I'd recommend checking out this video right here, which is how to zoom in on your timeline in Davinci Resolve 18.